The video explores the close relationship between Kevin Costner and his daughter Lily, highlighting their mutual passion for music despite their different career pursuits. This connection illustrates how strong family bonds can thrive even under the scrutiny of fame. Transitioning to Bruce Willis and his daughter Rumor, their enduring bond is evident as she forges her own path in acting while cherishing her father's influence. Their dynamic illustrates the complexities of growing up in the shadow of celebrity. The narrative shifts to Sylvester Stallone and his daughter Sophia, emphasizing the importance of their father-daughter connection. Despite Stallone's fame, their personal relationship remains strong, underscoring familial love in the public eye. While Sylvester Stallone achieved success through determination, his daughter Sophia navigates her career from a background of privilege. This contrast highlights the differing challenges they face within the entertainment landscape. Clint Eastwood's ascent from a middle-class upbringing to Hollywood stardom mirrors his daughter Allison's journey as she appreciates his unwavering support while developing her own acting career. Arnold Schwarzenegger's emergence as a bodybuilding champion and actor contrasts with his daughter Catherine, who has succeeded as an author and entrepreneur, illustrating their unique paths to personal fulfillment. Tom Hanks garnered acclaim as a premier actor, winning an Academy Award and starring in classics like Forrest Gump and Sleepless in Seattle. His achievements set a significant benchmark in Hollywood. Elizabeth Ann Hanks began her career in minor roles in her father's films before becoming a writer for prominent publications. Her evolution underscores the diverse avenues within the entertainment industry. The stark contrast between Tom's modest beginnings and Elizabeth's affluent upbringing highlights the divergent paths they carved within the same industry, raising questions about privilege and opportunity. Jack and Lorraine exemplify different trajectories, with Jack's working-class roots leading him to a net worth of $5 million by age 33, while Lorraine's privileged background allowed her to accumulate $14 million by 34. Eddie Murphy's rise in the comedy world stands in contrast to his daughter Bria's more modest net worth of $3 million at the same age, reflecting the varied challenges and opportunities that can shape different paths. Alec Baldwin's illustrious career provided Ireland with a luxurious upbringing. However, she currently holds a net worth of $3 million at 29, highlighting the unique pressures stemming from celebrity status. Charlotte's estimated net worth of around $5 million reflects her father's wealth, despite her preference for a private lifestyle. This situation contrasts sharply with her father's own net worth at a similar age. Pierce Brosnan has openly shared his grief following the loss of both his wife and daughter to ovarian cancer, using his platform to raise awareness about the disease and its impacts. The video underscores the emotional ties between parents and children, particularly in the context of loss and legacy, illuminating how such experiences profoundly shape their lives. Kurt Russell's Hollywood journey reflects the dedication and hard work vital for success in the competitive film industry, evident in his notable net worth of approximately $70 million. Kate Hudson's rise to fame kicked off with her memorable role in Almost Famous, contributing to a net worth nearing $80 million through her diverse acting and business ventures, showcasing her adaptability. Kurt Russell's support has been vital in Kate's career, emphasizing the importance of familial encouragement as she pursues her goals in the entertainment field. Will Smith's successful career features blockbuster hits like Independence Day and Men in Black, significantly contributing to his impressive net worth while paving the way for his family's accomplishments. Willow's music career took off with a hit, Whip My Hair, at just 10 years old, showcasing her remarkable talent early on and establishing a strong foundation for her future endeavors. The synergy between Willow and her father underscores the significance of family support in their artistic journeys, reflecting their mutual respect and shared experiences within the entertainment industry.